think for me, the first thing that I would always say to a teacher is that, there's nothing to be scared of. This is about safeguarding. You've been doing safeguarding for a very long time. It's exactly the same rules that apply. If you have a concern about a young person, you will go through the same motions as you would for any safeguarding issue.
If you've got nerves and about engaging with this agenda and you're concerned about what it might mean, I would suggest that you go back to the very basic safeguarding legislation. Look again at the responsibilities to our children and young people and our vulnerable adults to keep them safe from harm. Really think about where that sits in your own role, and then think about your responsibilities and your duties and how you need to implement that.
When we started talking about equality and diversity 25 years ago, we talked about this golden thread that needed to run through everything that we did. And prevent and safeguarding is very much the same. It is very much part of the daily work that teachers do. They are there, they know their young people, they know when something is of concern, and they need to feel confident and they need to trust their own instincts that they will do the right thing.
Prevent is just part of safeguarding that we do every day within the education sector. Prevent is looking at students that are finding themselves in situations that possibly they can't get themselves out of, and it's actually trying to keep them out of the criminal space. It's about the individual, looking at that individual and the challenges that they face, and making sure that we have the correct policies, procedures and protocols to signpost them to the people that can help them.
It's about proportionality, it's about keeping things in the right at the right level, right service, right child at the right time.